So I just cut the brake line right here. It's got plenty of bowing in the line so it won't bind up or strain or get caught anywhere. So I've hooked up the little attachment and made a water bottle that will hold the excess brake fluid when I will be bleeding the brakes. And now all I have to do is clean around where we put the brake fluid in so no dirt will get in there. So we just bled the system completely. We have solid pressure. Now I'm just gonna put it all back together. Decided I want to have the Rekluse left hand rear brake under my clutch lever, and I cut the clutch lever down so that I can use the clutch lever and the brake lever at the same time. I'm super excited to try this out.